It won't normal said now it is a woo ye. I could only baby and said to say yes. Who's the one you now credit me done? It's the same way so better drugs.
Yeah.
Obanamunsa now be a watch the daho. Now fe will cast in a chest of body neck cast away where you're and Yamia in Yano and a body news were bass almost near you or be respondo. One in the back one in the quadrum maybe.
Send I would defend the
oh upon on the quadrum maybe no one timia. What of them? Any difference above them?
No, I am ready.
I was saying some Nasia. I didn't know where Basabasa. Yeah, who body neck cast a mempe. Me ade wo ye ne mempe wo fa we di no go se why basa ade ti no why basa na mood swings yeah de o ka che wo se wo mpe enti se wanti a obe fight but a bedroom rebi no na ensanom na bedi nkonim enti se ensanom na be fa ne padua no enti de ensanom no pene no obe ye wo kidney no asai no wo lungs no asai no immune system no asai no drugs no asai no enti bedroom rebi no ne padua no wo lose control na omo na be in charge enso apam onyame amoye se na body me yesu
Dabi
onyame bo se yebedi na body yesu sa wo manyame body bedi uso a wonya nipa biem aduane di uso a wonya nipa biem sex edi uso a wonya nipa biem oh yes eni kwa sa wo ye addicted to bibia esa se bibia no wo pa na wo ye enya ade ne beka sa me pesa wo ye me and wo ye me good and no chese wo firi nipa biem e ko moadi ampa onipa de manya me de ma ye ma wo se dabi we mempe into majai but tim sa de we emwa but still would you baby anye ade ne mama be the master e chese wo fini party biem your mind is out of place what cause time a wo pen na beka so beka have sex time a wo pen na beka so wo bedidi etu betimi aka se na me nidi me ye fast
yeah
but etimi duro na wo body no wo crowdness say no aduane adi nkonim sex adi nkonim drugs adi nkonim cocaine adi nkonim
okay
any concept nyame amoye se na body including the part
obedience o se boni amem pese me wio no
eno na me
wio papa esa me wio no
o se bitimi na so ka bibi to aso enso o se adom bi
no kre
abese me ma ama se ni mitimi du sunkunim eti na check your life edie na aye the master of your life the ese so wo ye master ye nyankopon
okay
on na o se me nyame bi anka no ho de ese so wo ye master e nyankopon ono nko a ona kase kwa na wokọ ona kase gina na wogina na I say drugs timi kase fami one fami obebodam one fami na ho chiro na say you are not in control cocaine na o ye in control say kase he akwada na wokọ no ko pene na
na udimnika
wakoda akra na wakofa na say you are out of question say what free ni pam wo kwa muom okomuom eze ni ba bebre ne nam ho ma firi nyame bono obo wo mo so mu nipa no wo mte o se nyame se me bo nipa se me suban ene me seso nipa bebre firi sa nyame suban ne seso no adru mu adiem oni control biem the moment ya be benya dominion on you no na say you have left your domain what call a what biem
na e bokra no onya aduane bi ne
na no you was so kire ho ba bi anye now the what take you over
okay
and you ka se ne ese wutim ka se ne mi nidi me de me ya food to no ma twen nyame anim you have the power to do that
emfa ho na kono dia ne
debi ama come crowd de wutim show wo so e come de me ba mi nidi
yeah
me feel it come obi be feel it shop enough from until less another man ka se na we so ye dey and obewu akokora wanya obewu akokora wanya enti address people correctly
nice
na eboa ema wonso timi ne wo mu enya relationship because not in a form of honor eti anopa de yen ana yen ho na entimi emo se nipa ne pen sa ana no a fama no de ana se no so se de e wo si da se wo be hwe 2 areas no a eniema nkoyie no na wato be 5 areas na ye papa ni nyina no be 80% no wato agu na wa focus on the 20%. But on him the trick and say wo share 80% na ekoyie no na wo chance ye den nyame ase wo ho a the healing bro e wo 20%.
Okay,
but unfortunately no say 20% na enkoye wo ya brabo mu a your mind no because the default system of the mind according to psychologists no it go to the negative adwene no always no it won't necessarily intentionally what positive and no ya adwuma ba bebre no so ye lazy because
switch.
Yes, this all switch it. It is switching to be brain so lazy. Because the first system of the mind and a pair, the enquiry no or back sakasa or hono. But the overhead the dear. And no ya juma, say juma no obey no. We lazy and I say it may be ignorance. But we also say ignorance him. It is two things. Or one nimpa, but or self pity. On him. So was sitting in mind, no. Oh yeah, oh. Now they here, you were deep, and they will recruit you, and they will irritate you. Nasa, oh, when you bro, Cafrano or Pesa, as some self a pity, no, and Crawford, oh, and your Cafra, eh, we are re, and then you, and why mobile, you were deep, or Pesa didn't know, or do baby, and what Pesa woman, but I know am I powerless, and no, Mawia powerless. The real power, no, and it's our best switch it. From one or two things, now let's say 20% of enquiry. Now they are back 80%. Now, I'm power yare, but I rather me there was a swam, Jumai. I rather me there was a semi one qua. I rather me there was a semi wokun. No, correct. I rather me there was a semi wire. I rather me there was a semi timid putty. Every so and it's a me yard afa ne umbilical cord and the dear FM. I rather me there was a semi timinante. And so a bit which oh, I rather me there was a semi sour, a bimuninsa. I rather me there was a semi timicasa if you said you'll be a moon. No, correct. 80 a year perspective. Either say you will be pitiful or you will be powerful. Okay. You can't be both. 80 you will always find something. I will self pity. Okay. Ebema will become one sama kesi. And now say we be share the other side the noa. And a battle. Okay. A switch. A your cool. And now we but you have to say we yanswa. A bedroom maybe no. Not gratitude, not thanksgiving. Also, I buy you with default system. Okay. Because with default system, not the debia, enemy, mabre, enemy baby, yes, mabre, and will be unfamiliar, and a mikunu nome, and a maiden nome, and a juma woman, me boss on pemasam. Default system of the mind moves to the negative. It will always a back hole. But it's a way exercise and not chance here. I rather me there was a swam in one. I rather me there was a semi one map. I rather me there was who shall see that now say who reprogram or mind no who shall have a new path for you. Who just a from watch mama because the debia a bubu na be party be it debia won so every day it is say no me part way me back gratitude part no it me system no chance as danko I ready me da wase ampa wokunu wo mreye ampa wo yire mre e wo mreye ba sa ni pakro na bibi wo ho ye e bu de na befa wokunu no fa de ye no mo wokunu no wo mreye wo yire no wo mreye at the same time wokunu kro no a wo yire kro no no so strength wo me ba cho hefa na befa nka befa de baby a wo ye adwuma no maybe we cause gossip ni slander e ampa ni na ho but me patro say bosumi so etua wo ka come on say we nya bi ni kura say we timi ma bag eno so etu be fa de wo be share gossip no yabi anasa wo be share say erade me da wase so mama baby ama me ye adwuma me da wase say me timi sore na me ntifie me da wase ne hwe ni pa na no asojafo mo ko hwe me bu na ku ho o mo pa adwuma ye you can see that they don't even have a one day away, but a year on desperation. And in life, on apam, the Biame can say, you was strategies be at the Bobra. You cannot have consistent joy by accident. It will be there be a year you practice it. Okay. You practice it, you sacrifice it, you intentional, you deliberate. It me akosia go a project. Me akosia go aboagye ameti here pam. There was some things I mean him said no matter obe say what obe buo menti me sesane da. But you won near maybe so hanya me ayama menti I choose. Okay. It's a choice. I choose to be grateful. Et many tia here rade me da was na so dia chame. E rade me da was say me wokunu. Me there was some woman. Me there was a say me kwakoye adwuma. Me there was some ye general manager ma Sompa. My password na wo bi na pay. I there was some won kwa. Me there was some tiase. Me there was say wo timi mu. Me there was say the otimi mu no sisi ndi wo wiase. Me there was say wo ye magya wo wosoro. Na wo twene me ho. Me there was say wo rinya me na wo rempa me da. Me da was say akodie no de beba na wo se entimi me da me da was say wo so beto me punu e wo matamfo anim me da was say wo ne me hyefo sheri hia me the Lord is my shepherd I shall not want me da was say awurade se metimi kasa me da was say wo mama adwuma ye it's a gratitude
and they were yes
oh yes we are yes Entrebi abosa woma na me maso den wo bi wo mountain a mountain wo bompa se nyame ma ne baako se nyame ma wo bie no dadanse we awurade me dawase makofi abrabo me dawase ma ama abrabo wo mama nyawo ne bi enye obia ne ba asase so obewo ye sa gratitude no be ma niam bi omo ya enye no overwhelm wo bebre because wo hu se nkola ne ye nhira ba wa sha sha nkola no oye we nye na be wo se nkola na be ye burden na se nkola na be ye curse e ma dabi the nyamia since wo mo ba wiase be wo ye no won so ka wo bi e se nye obia na be wo ye the nyamia since wo mo ba asase so mo ware ye no wonya bi e se nye obia na timi ware ye the nyamia since wo ba asase so be nya adwuma ye e se nye obia na nya adwuma ye apom ye ba ye studio ye te condition mo wanda nyankopon se o condition e so be ye adwuma wo awiem no kre obi ye adwuma wo obi ye adwuma tina ho ba wo betina so betina computer ho the nyamia since adwuma wo ba wo nya free wifi then we have a lot to be thankful. Then you mean so about office we nyan so no because obi opie no akoton so no say ma ya sedan ye do so that's not the same because sedan open doors open doors shiraba ba wo de bia complaining murmuring Israel for nyame yi wo free and consume wo misuma
Rasani mabawa mtieme mtieme kutusemi Emre yeni kaso Akama famu nyansapa Akama famu mwanjimba Mama nyama kesho Wame nado nyame Unyame sewa sobi mwami nyobi ara mabawa jawate Sobi mwami Wame I'm a Daniel 12. Young coffee, I'm a Daniel 12. Sukuri maufoni mikobi na sukoda boni semti mayire mi wensu dia oyi medi kwan so mayedi kan be dia chire ma fonyi na ye jami ti mamu foma di suyi ni agro mamu foma di suyi ni agro kra aka everybody na sanja aka sanfu for me myself Sikani awafana mi wabio Disike nyina wamenum Midi mahoni nyina sumemba Jama mkwansa mufwa na misamemu Enempode abanji mitoi Mafri mi mema ye Masiankwa kwa fire yeah myself Misi tsunami num sorry pa Bringing some and try me photo And some mama through you Let me saw them one and myself. I want to need hobby. As I found out, was your son of one. Come to Fuset, Jainunia. I can't remember your sanity. I can't remember your sanity.
Ghana de shima mama samba munyina kwa baba Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. And the May Day special edition Sompa Rhapsody any day brewo. And ye kai adwumayefo ne abo adwumayefo abaso. Na adwumayefo nso aka kai wo mo ho. Na mo to manamo SCCE. Eti ye celebrate workers anyi wo mo ye adwuma nko a. Omo nsusu abie adwuma. Omo ye nkrofo adwuma. Omo ankasa ye wo mo adwuma. Ni nyina ne ye kaka ye ho. Na me bamba ma wo adwuma mu nyansa bia wo betimi dia ba obra. Ebi se anye bia me wo more than 25 years experience say ejumayeni my year juma for more than 25 years enti adesua bia manya mistakes bia my ene I want to share them with you me be say me de to anim every say me chance ye juma na me ye very young every say me so nyina na me pa juma dada enti me chance ye juma na I was really young Me ya koda na me ye teenager na me ne me stepmother na ye ton gari and beans. It me ne me stepmother ton gari and beans. So you can imagine say na me sha. Sambre na me was 13 to 14 years and na me ne me stepmother ye chance and ye ton gari and beans. Me kwotna na me ma me ne me papa jai ntem. Sambre na me was 3 years. Me kwotna me ma me nchen kakra nti me nyini kakra no and na me ma me e de me bre me papa. It ode me bre me papa no sambre na me was 30 that's na me papa wa ware foforo. Eti me stepmother na no ton gari and beans. Eti me nene na eye adwuma. Eti me first adwuma me ye na eye gobe. Na o gobe e na no osan ye emu ni stew so eka ho. Enti me ba be ma unyansa ebra wa hyase a wo bobra. Ebi a wo ye young, wo ye teenager, anansa bi a wo ye young adult. And when you back to Aboagye, me bring unyansa ewe adwuma mu na wo de abobra. Every say my year adwuma ankasa officially. Say me year adwuma me etua me ka for more than 25 years. And me ankasa nso ma ye madwuma. A me guso anso ye me ankasa madwuma. Eti me ye obi adwuma na me ankasa nso me sa ye madwuma. And me sanso ye speaker. Me sanso ye Bible teacher. Me ye motivational speaker. Etiano so ye me calling bi Nyankopon de ama me. Etiane say me wo Fatima Roman Catholic asafom. Ewo aboko bi a me ne wo mokwa akodi djuma. Ochran so Methodist asafom wo me calling bi Nyankopon de ama me. Ena me anso so maton niema ewo dome market here ya pen. Enti se me be ma wo djuma mu nyansa me wo experience se me de ma wo na wuti e beboa wo. Enti se wo de wo fidie na to Sompa 106.5 FM across Sompa Rhapsody ni woni aba Akosua Aboagye me ba be ma wo adwuma mu nyansa. Ebi se ne ye Mayday adwuma ye fo da. Me am be madwuma pen ma ye me private production pen me ankasa ma ye me private event da. So we ko TV3 adwumadie bia na ye fa ne abrabopa na ye private production me ankasa na me ye sa production no. Enti I was on TV3 for 3 years. And na event ye fa ne woman to woman. And also ye conference a me ankasa na me organize e sponsors e di guso. Ana me gada ema na me tu ema fo me ye bi e wo Accra me ko ye bi wo Kumasi me ye bi wo Sunyane e na me sanso ye bi wo Koforidua maton ade maton nuo pen maton gobe maton dokono mako school so and make sense kuta masters in marketing nes adeton de marketing ye bigger than adeton but ho sales a subset of marketing de wo hwani nyina wo hwe the chain nyina the production and the supply chain nyina it is enemy ba betu fu adwuma mu na wonya abote na wutie beboa wate e se bia wo wonya adwuma muro 25 years ana se bia na wo ye teenager na wo ni obi anya adwuma me ne me stepmother di kan ye adwuma me ye mistakes bebre me di mistakes no so besa ma wo ena me ni obi so chance ye adwuma no so me ye mistake bebre ena me ankasa me so me share madwuma ase no so me ye mistakes bebre me hwiri sika bebre me kasa wo babie ni kwansa me kasa etini ama bia me toast ni me de beboa wo ena nyansa menya afiri mu nso me de beboa wo no pai efise na ye Mayday adwuma ye fo ye di ye ho nkomo adwuma ye fo ye ho aduru etifo afidie ne bra ne frɛ obi no obi nsum frɛ obi sa o metie Sompa 106.5 FM Accra won join me live e wo Facebook e wo Sompa 106.5 FM Accra fi say nyansa wo adwuma mu e kasa etina maka me track record a kyerɛ wo no etimi obi a me bɛka kyerɛ wo na why are you interested my mistakes bebre o ena masanya nyansa bebre nso afrim se wo obi a wonim nyansa pa wo obi a wo mistake pa but nsunsu e wo sa nipa no nipa wo gimi ntam ne se wo mistake a wo sua afrim se be ya wonya biem ena sabio de wo gimi no obekoso aye fi say the person is not getting or gaining the knowledge that he or she is supposed to get. Me mo kwa baba Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. From now to 9:30 me be ma wajuma mu nyansa. 30 minutes penti e twama na etwam. Nemo wo ba ye Facebook page was Sompa 106.5 FM Accra wo benya. And wo follow me nso e wo TikTok. Me TikTok account no eye Akosua go Sompa Accra. And na YouTube no so ye Sompa FM live. E ho nso wo benya. Etiene fo fidie ne brefi se adwuma de nyame boy ye se enya adwuma. Onyame bon Adam no ka chen se till the land. Adwuma nti no de ne bae. Onyame bon na body enya ka chen Adam till the land and tend the land. Eti adwuma ka ho. Wo so adwuma ye ni wo fata na ketua. And wo se ensa enya adwuma ne ni kwanse didie. And wo so okwadwofo kontate ya nche ne ko hunu nyansa. Eti wo ne hwansa wo se wonya adwuma. Nemo mu ne se wanya adwuma mu nyansa. Wo be ye adwuma hyegu. Wo be ye adwuma madache wakase me hu yanka. Efi se wanya adwuma mu nyansa. Eti se nyansa na me de bre wo no. Ebra na me ne me step mother ye adwuma no de na me ye ne se me na me koto eyi gabins no ye gari no enwono ene ye fe ne se adua ni nyina me na me koto efri dwom ena me de ba ena sabre na ye nyusu gas eti na ye yusu eja eti na me kokro fonu makwakoto janaba ne de aba bentu me sori ntem 2 am se na nyankopon ni me se da achi me ye radio adwuma sori ntem nti o ma me sori ntem ebra na me sakura me wo 13 to 14 years 2 am na ma sori me sori 2 am na makwako no adua no eti me no adua na ma hyehye enwono na ma hyehye gari na ma hyehye bibia na ma twitwa bayere no ene kokko no na me de agu ensu a ede nkyene agum na me de agum ena me yestiu no nso ahomache me wi ansa na makọ school sabre na me wo junior high school eti imagine sa akra me was 13 to 14 years we adwuma na me ye na nadwo ansa na makọ school eti me wo school ma me te wa na me da eti ye miracle pa say yesu university yeti mi ko obi ye adom bi keke ebi se me ya kwada na me sorry every day me sorry 2 am ebi se me na me no adua na se me no adua ne wie na me hyehye ne ma ne nyina asi ho ema me step mother ma hyehye ma ne wie na me twitwa me san twitwa bayere no na me san twitwa eyi no eka ho na me di gu ensu ye nkyini mu ansa na meja hwa school ena me ye stew no nso ka wonto no ba no aba be no amo no eti kokko no nyina na me twitwa na me di gu enkyini nsu mu eti me ne me step mother ena me se na oye me papa yiri nti ne beginning no wontua meka me ne ye adwuma kakra nti e bra me nya me wi junior high school no so se de me wi junior high school enti obetua meka bosome eti wo chance tua meka bosome bia na o ma me kakra me nkai sika na o de ma me de ba na o de ma me na ma me bi wo ye fie ho na me di sika na de ko ma me no e de ma me ne di sika na to eti me di sika na ma me na ma me ne de ato nti afeso ye no ana me ko ma me no se me kwa kwaji me sika me ko na ma me ne sika na fa ne nsase akoda ketu akoda me wo 15 years na me ne me step mother ye adwuma na me step mother ma me sika na me di sika no ama ne se wo mfanto na afia so me se me kwa kwaji sika na me de akoto bronya atade me ko e ma me ne sika na fa ne nsantem adesua me nya free mu ne se enye obi na di sika ma ne to enka me pesusu boss bi na me fasika ne nhyem na nka me fansie but oye ma me panyini akoda me nya 15 years me de metimi ne nakon o se sika na fa ne nsantem de ne meye ana me di sika na ma na to so ma mo me papa amane ma mo me step mother nso amane nti ne obi ya anim eti de ato so me ni se wo di sika mu obi ato abo obi amane mu obi nya witness ansa na wo di sika na to we ni adwuma mu nyansa number 1 wudi sika mo obi ato a menka se eye me no mienu ntem nko a ma witness bi mrem ma obi media danse se wudi sika we ama esemesi so wonfanto akoda me wo 15 years amene me step mother me tongo be me sori ahomachi no mienu eye ho adwuma na me step mother se obetua meka na me di sika koma maami a me gine die e de ato bi koma maami na me som no na me di sika ya to wa maami na me di sika na ma no a eduru afi no mfa me sika maami o se sika na fa ne nsantam hwan na me bo na mane wa di sika no eti baby awudu sika to no hia enye baby an de sika nya nipa nkwato de bi kran ukaya god is love ne ade nkrofo de sika kwato to wo sika no ahye eti se wo ye adwuma na wo bra sika na wo benya na baby awude to no ye investigation ansa make sure sa bank kran na wo de kwakoto a Bank of Ghana agye atom se de be ya daachi BBC a Bank of Ghana betimi atua woka because I was a 15-year-old girl, but that's happening. Misia dear be say, ye nyini penny basabasa. I finished so yet, my minister Sikana fan in Santem. It's lesson number 1. Who hard earn money, no, who qua woba water penton, Kobia, Messoya, Machino, you know, make a cremina, will be dini free. busa wo se sika na me nya na ehemfa na me de beto ehemfa na me de besie fi se na me de sie na me de aye bibi wajuma na wo ye no lesson number 2 sika na wo benya no me ni nyina fa besie se wo de be ye bibi se wo ye obi adwuma wo de bi tu o se da che wo betimi aye wo de etimen kasa bosume so ade de be ma no wadi ni nyina ena sika ni so me pa cho lesson number 2 sika ni esose de make sure so wodi bi besie e se sika ni ye keto a enso e ye kase a enso etisie bi pebe bi na fa bisie ena ye me de yesua adwuma mu nyansa me chance ye adwuma na me 15 years me ne me stop mother na shy adwuma ase me wi junior high school wa chance etua meka mi pa me ma no di sika na to ho no wodi sika no e ma me hunu nyansa fi se me obi a me ma bibi ntwam kwawo se wonnim me a me Akosua Aboagye ade bie ne ho etom ya me ma ne kokwada e bi nsi da bibi se me sua nyansa frim eti ma me ne no ye panyino ba na I was a 15-year-old girl but that time na e teaching me lessons say enye obi a na edi sika no ka me pesusu boss bi na me fa nchem because I be ne sa susu ne bi ne ho because asema me ke 1990s ho ba bi o eti ya mama bibi nto kwa wobere wo nsuo nyansa mfirim obi kire wo nusu ban ya ginidi say obi kire wo nusu ban ya ginidi when people show you who they are believe them am pani pati Mrs. Chairman nsesansa sa bere ya won sesa ye die wureti no wureti sani pan suban na woda na di kire wo wureti ne sa akopem so obesesa when people show you who they are believe them so obi so ma wo hu ne ye woni mu a nyame ye wadom e ma woni nipa bi konkita hodie mu sa adamfo adwuma mu na woda ne suban di kire wa gini panidi obetimi abepa wo chow ba gini di se no wote ne strategize ba me mani pani nya wo mprenu e ma ne disrespect wo mprenu fa wo ho adwene ma me na manfa sika nkoba na nto 20s na me chance ye adwuma 20s na me chance ye adwuma dia to so biem sa wonu obi kwa koye adwuma ene ne nko contract wate ma contract bi nto so fa contract bi to so me ne oba ba ye adwuma we nie de ode be ma me nie na wa jump into it now ya time ye de probation on obi betimi am adwuma na wa show be ye bosume miensa obi kura timi show be ye bosume nsia nya hwe ne mo meso a ye te se Jacob ebra wo call Laban ho no ka say Laban ma ye adwuma ma wache oba na me pena ware right here oni Leah me ware wo munti me ye adwuma ma for more than 14 years ma ye adwuma ma ebra so se wutua meka eti woni obi share adwuma say beginning na betimi abasa ye prowadi anytime e betimi afiri wonsa anytime we eye adwuma mu wisdom 101 na me de ma wa no pay shisha contract na fa wuti eno sa hyase commitment bi mrem na asem bi ba wonya evidence bi dia kire se contract aminini anasa contract aminini pa ne ko ye ni eti probation season ni chamu a ese wonya employment contract na wudidi adanse sa ha na wo ye adwuma no ya ma wutumi krata sa wo ye adwuma wa ha e se tumi krata bia na so a ye betimi so yi wadi anytime eti mama lesson number 1 sikana me ni nyina fa bisie he ba bia wudi sie and make sure say why your contract who here pa and na ye made day adwumayefo ye di ye ho nkomo dia to so me answer lesson number 3 and lesson number 4 or say lesson number 4 say wo ko ba bi say wo ko ye adwuma mempre wo ni nipa nya free nya botransa ebetimi abasa adwuma wura ne kura na wo pewasem wo fa wadamfo ba atwanyansa e se na nipa bi wo ho ansa na wo ba adwuma wura ne pewasem se die kai se na nipa bi wo ho ansa na wo ba eti costedi the terrain no costedi environment no wo free baby no aba betom hu se wo ye wo ho hu se wo ye stranger Wisdom for work 101. Sa wo ko baby ye fo adwuma foforo na ko anya sa wo ko ya na akofo we adam fo wo ko ya na wo kasa dabi nya botre hu se wo ye wo ho a waba betom wo best study se adwuma mu ha etesai wo mo culture etesai adwuma wura ni suban te sei adwuma ye fo suban te sei wo mani abie wo mo ye mature wo mo ye nkurasefo wo mo ye mpanifo wo mo ye nkwada study answer woman ate woman inte woman study nsa woman ye kwakwasua kwafo woman ye nimudifo woman ye middle class woman ye low class study environment no and yes we do here you jump on now no obi anam now kasa basa every be abekwa adwuma foforo mbe hu say you are the stranger in Jerusalem. We are stranger in Jerusalem. Ti afen no abamu foforo e na maka na bimu wo hodada wo munnim say de adwuma ne city oba obi anka hwe eti afen no aba foforo nti afen na wo besua system no it is about besua system no it is systematic a wodi ne birthday dia no make sure say wonnim system ne culture ne mu ansa obi o du adwuma mu anu afọ obi adamfo ba bia na wo kasa wo so adwuma wo ba mu kura ni bosu mimpo wisdom 101 ena mede ma wo bra wakọ na wonye adwuma foforo no akọ new environment ana shane nso se ebia wo kwa akọ ye adwuma ma obi ana se bia ya fa wo se manager bia adwuma pa wo ye ya fa foforo bia ye se be ye adwuma pa nyini eti maka wo kwa akọ ye adwuma wo ho no wo duru ho study environment no ansa ma wo the culture of the organization ebia adwuma mo ye konkonsa adwuma mo di konkonsa ye nantintwitwa ye nkurasesem eni bie ni ho wo mo nya machio wo mo ye insecure low self esteem bebre anko school study ansa adwuma bi wo so wo say yes womo ye high class womo bu womo ho eni die wom obi ani obi ho adaje konkonse ni ho nantitwitwe ni ho study the culture of that workplace ansa na wo be hunu nyansa pa adwuma bia ne culture baby ya wo free a wo ba na nyese de ho city ne sa na baby ya wo ba ne city o for study womo de na and then you adapt. So what I said, then you adapt to their culture. You will not conform to them, but you will adapt. You will not conform to them, but you will adapt. When you want your pet, there be any concern with free run over from there be. And yes, sir. Name when you bet done what to say about my country. One man who come one sound my own my to say womo. Name who best say womo. Who said obesia bow brand said obesia ya ho no e den sesa bi beba o mewu adwuma ye fo na wo ba bedi wo mo so na e ya test wo mo test the workers test the adwuma ye fo ne who said yo mu sitie test adwuma ye fo no adwuma ye fo na wo ba be manage wo mo no test wo mo adwumayefo na mebe manage wo mo no wo mo tesai wo mo ye adwumayefo wo mo ye mature anaso wo mo nye mature wo mo ye adwumayefo wo mo ye secure ana wo mo nye secure wo mo ye adwumayefo wo mo nim adwuma ana wo mo nim adwuma wo mo ye adwumayefo wo mo je hard work di wo mo ye adwumayefo nyameso wo mo mu anasa adwumboni wo mo timu ana eti se ye koye o se bia operations manager general manager human resource manager marketing manager whatever managerial position be de bema obiano go and study the culture of the people. Ko test wo mu ne hu nipa kura hu ne wo ba ba ye adwuma no e ya so wo mu hye me madwuma e for ma so wo ma hwe me hu de e wo mu so wo mu hye adwuma e for be na me be manage wo mu yi wo mu te se wo mu ya konkonsanfo wo mu ye nantintwitwafo wo mu ya akromfo wo mu ya atrofo wo mu ya akwadwefo wo mu ya adwumaden test wo mu ansa said be ya wo be adapt wo ho wo mu ye boni aye wo mu ye greedy wo mu ye pesami nkumunya wo ma gini mu anyini anaso wo mu ye macho anaso wo mu nya macho wo mu fo ma dwuma yi ankasa womo ye committed to their work and womo ye committed to their work it won so say appoint you ema wo a new place say bia any managerial position whether a marketing manager general manager a radio manager operations manager managing director a managerial nkwade cashier manager nipa na woko manage wo mo so mo ye nipa 5 so mo ye nipa 10 e ya test wo mo hansa e tere bia na odi bibia wo mo ahade e na me kan se me Akosua go me madwuma e for ma test wo mo ahwe men kan kire obi na me de test me se men kan kire obi me de test so mo ya konkonsanfo a it be said that the testing because you need to know the people you are working with. Now more strategize. No one who adwuma for no one adwuma no. You need to test them. To test it. O free we no aka we o free we no aka. Mr. Sadi with the Mamun country be a who had the Sombeka or Monka. Omukokano so oh say no motie now was strategize. Test your workers. Ya do ko to test wo mo he enyi ni pani basa o ena de wo fa wo dwuma no so test ne he test ne bufu he test ne kom and the temperament he test ne stinginess test na no asem test ne se wanyini ana wanyini wa ya mature na wanya mature test he yes me se wo du ba bia wo ye stranger who say we a stranger in Jerusalem. Ya found say koyejuma we a stranger. Ya found say be manager we a stranger. You are going to study the culture of the people and then you adapt accordingly. Test ya dey testing so no. Now who the kind of people you are working with. Oh, say no one more tie. Na fe next time no do one more sisi ye. Watamfu nya wo da. Sa wo test wo ma watamfu nya wo da. Watamfu benya wo once, but wo nya wo twice. Shada ye baby, shada ka bibi, shada ma command bi, shada ma order bi ne fa hade so mu bedi so na wo mu ni so a. Ni nyina eye test if say nyame na yesom no no, wo kra wo test ye. Bible say God tested Abraham. Nyame no onim de woni pamu but so wo test wo mo. Na wo ya fa wo se koda adwuma bia na adwuma fo na no wo ba adwuma no wo test wo mo he se de wo mu sitie. We show them a level of insecurity. We show them a level of maturity. We show them a level of slander. We show them a level of concern. Testing in an idea. Shadama command be Shadama order be. Never had dear now be who and this one dear. Who sign and a wonder. Everywhere you go, test. We are so for you. Do what to us Safubiano. Test yourself for man. Maybe I Pentecost so for we are Methodist so for we are Baptist so for we say yet me do ko baby yet me shift yet me fa free yet me do free kuma se ne do kon kran yet me do free kran ne do ko sunyane we do I say kuma se font se sunyane o e na sunyane font se kran e na kran font se takrade for obia ne the culture ne the system of the organization it ya fa so for panyini se beda asafo no ano enye se oba e na ne the body of deacons and also capacity na timia boama next time no we do one capacity na timia boama next time no we do one mo CCE my self pen e pa approach no na mi so na su krobia ni agenti manya ya to so me dey ma wona da achi bi made day ya so ato so approach na funu mi o. So we study adwuma no na hu adwuma no se de adwuma no sitia no we say no adwuma hu se adwuma we wo da achi wo ma na se we ni da achi wo ese wotimi ye calculation calculated adwuma we e wo future and any future enye oblivion of issues e man niema e me to by surprise study adwuma no system no wo structure structure wa adwuma na say adwuma no structure bi anim obi atimi ye de ope no structure ana structure na je nipa ba ko peso wo ye tintintini to no kasa obi anka bia na study ya wo calculation adwuma wei me wo danchi wo ma na me ni danchi wo eti se wo danchi wo ma wonim de wo beye woni danchi wo ma wonim de wo beye eti me nkwa adwuma bi mu na ne musa wo hwehwe won se watena adwuma mu 20 years watena adwuma mu 30 years na wo danchi nyina to ape wo de wo energy with vitality, with the strength, the day of your youth, with their committee and majuma nyina ekowiase wanya hye emfrim. If say one year strategic. One calculate say adwuma we 10 years to come na da so ho ana. Sha adwuma ne dimi na adwuma ne wura, adwuma ne manager, adwuma ne operations boxes ne ade hwe mu nyina wo mu sunu wo mu ba ne se de wo mu si ye wo ho. Next strategize. Now I for plan at all for the next 10 years and I made the year adwuma we. For the next 5 years and I made the year adwuma we. For the next 15 years and I made the year adwuma we. For the next 6 years and I made the year adwuma we. Me chance na ma ye me die sei. Eti me be chance aboabuo sika no na me dia ye me die. And I make memfa kwan bone so eno no mafutu etwa to. Baby a wo ye adwuma. Say wo ye adwuma wura anase bia wo manage am obi anase wo koye adwuma wo ho memfa ni kwan bone so enwie sika bia da enye bi da. Ma wo hands enye clean. dinukura say adwuma ni mpo wa fa ho adwene say 6 years time wo be jaya 6 years na wo adwuma no do your best. So why would you say I will be here for the next 3 years, sir? The next 3 years, no, do your best. Be committed to your work. Be committed to your assignment. Stay focused. Don't get distracted. Because who say what have for the next 3 years, who say what have for the next 5 years, who say what have for the next 10 years, 10 years, you are gone forever. It make sure say who was strategy. I will bob was sikano, who shall be see in the secret. Who you want there privately. Now what the bob one a quine passo a hoyame pa. It's a who you will be sick, I will sick an enina. Akrana woke we say no nyame be hira so ma wo. Make I was a Jumedi Sompa Rhapsody. And they made it into Jumayefo Nyansa. A Joe's bread and pastries for Just Hot Kenke, woman and Soma Sene, and Mamdi Jumedi Brewo. Sounds on a Pepsodent and so Eka home. Just Hot Kenke, some more son to say. A moya dan Casadea holiday. Monfla almost says, and no more order docuni binamuni. More order docuni binamuni. There's more customized packages. I would do a brewo. A Just Hot Kenke. A 3 Ghana so the clean hygienic preparation, convenient storage and delivery. Available for funerals, events, and bulk orders. John's Bakery, Domi Commercial Bank at Chiho. When your friend 0256068832 now with them. A 0256068832. A 0256068832 not with them. John's Bread and Pastries, Just Hot Kenke. And weekend the year be or wedding be or party be or Enti Joe's Bread and Pastries na so masne ena me de Sompa Rhapsody ena adwuma mu nyansa me de brewo eti weekend di minim event bi a wo wedding bi a wo make sure say Joe's Bakery Domi Commercial Bank echi ho be hu no 0256068832 0256068832 ena Pepsodent Cavity Fighter toothpaste so ebo me chedam ama me de Sompa Rhapsody abro wo sene gu wonu mu no say wo pe Pepsodent Cavity Fighter, you're fortified with pro-fluoride and micro-calcium ingredients. A seal the tiny and invisible holes in your teeth. Dear, now a Pepsodent. Do the 2 before you go to bed. Pepsodent, every smile matters. Ghana Dental Association, Wamajiatum. Pepsodent give you the opportunity to talk to a dentist for free. It's a Pepsodent Cavity Fighter. Bet me from 0800-161-000. Where you to free line up 0800-161-000. Now when the dentist akasa for free. When the dentist bekasa for free. A Pepsodent Cavity Fighter. Make us a higher Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. And check maybe a phone lines and I'm a one so would do a Jumamunian sana with the Abba. So when you will be a year Juma, so when I will be a Juma, so one Casana will be a Juma, so will be a foul some manager with a Juma Biano. And the Fawunian Sana Brene who drew. And if I be mistakes, baby. Why are Kokra was why I brew one who put all. That could penny at the Kratama may you would manager Boo Fuko. Ni refi papa yenina, ni refi papa yenina. Wo modern boy nyina ni refi. One mistake pe no wato watch na fe wo na waka mu yi. Eti adwuma mu nyansa na ne mede ye de ma wo yi. Eti line see de be adwuma ne 0260196064 and 0260196065. 0260 196064 and 0260196065. Brother, share your experience with me. Adwuma masisi bi ekoso wan kasa wo bi adwuma ye fo bi a wo ha wo wo ye manager ne wo fa mu wa wo share adwuma so sika bi e hire wo mistakes bi a wo ye na wa ba be kan wo de obi edi kan ba homa no so men hwe na men fa nipa no. Hello. Oh, kafra. 0260196064 and 0260196065. Ne Mayday. Ejuma for home komo 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Mini abene meshiani. Hey, Pokia Kwaba. And I did my phone komo.
Yeah, my
Medasi etidasi.
About just a year ago, let me see. I was taking 3 times lesser than that just a year ago. This year it's like 3 times bigger. I'm more than even what I was taking last year.
Yes.
The higher your income, the more you spend. So you have to be disciplined enough. You manage to eat. And if you put that, your behavior to start saving, no, and it's not discipline, it helps you. Because you don't wait to get more before you save.
And no crepa. And no crepa because who say at the end this a habit. So what habit no you be a new sika according to budget. Who sika ne ye kese kra wo bedi nyina. It is say we budget. We budget to ho. What we say we expenditure ne we income ne. It is me income ye 5,000 ma making sure say me save 1,000 a month. A must. It is me income increase here. Na 1,000 me save wa ma eko 2,000. Enti basa who could 5,000 and who could 2,000. So we save bia. We na 10,000 crown we save be good. Eti a habit. Aha. A su and a buy. Eti ketu abi kura 200 kura fa bi sie. Meso me da se panya me sha opi me ka wo se an ye Sompa 106.5 FM akra ena adwuma ye fo ye tu ye ho fo bebra ye adwuma mo da tia ye mobo ye mpene sa. Hello.
Hello, Antakutia.
Beme na mini abene meshiani.
Wedi Sompa Dodua Ganata etrewa.
Sompa Dodua.
Nebemi Daniel.
Dami mamintie wanope.
Antakutia watu mwidi nafira ngo kama tembi. Yeah, I don't know who the Mutumfanta that I don't know mobile my Munyamisamu.
Amen.
Because one more kind of idea because you could maybe man did a kana. Because the company won't tell me no more. Father, I'm telling me to the other no more than in my
share.
Not to know, and yet an net to clear. Edumano, your idea, no, can be a obia, Jolobacan, and the Dumarabafa. Our tintin, bosses Libya. Only young Sansi will be a. I didn't have a boy, Bonioja, Jolobacano, and you know, but the time, did I work on and Crepa, the equipment of my noise, Nadia, that time. Okay. I'm not a consultant. My money will be a Brabano. Yeah. In a plan of we are. Okay, on fire. A in structure be a 1 man 1,000. You want to meet the coconut to know where the money is. I'm a friend. Medasi Dani. Medasi pa Dani Yamisha. 0260 196064 and 0260 196065 0260 196064 and 0260 196065. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
You're more happy.
Medase.
Sompa, I cut it down.
Okay.
What do you say? I said that Yakuba, and then I say, you don't have to worry, the way man. Hey, mammy, I can't got to Yacho. Say, who was Grandma? At the Bapua, I won't say, I can't know what my mom. Make sure, say, when you incorporate a drum is there, every accountant. Now the plan is Jessica. And I said, who could do that? When the only Joe was room, who could start this up? No, Japanese said, Japanese may have said, and yet that is how I wouldn't find you one a bit over.
Matthias Sepa. No kranya mi sha pa baby wo ye adwuma bia me serew he wo wie sika wo bi be wia wo obi eni wo wie sika bi eni wo ye wia ye agina da eye busa politicians edi enti no mo ko opposition ana asan hia wo mo no mo pentama ba wo wie sika wia politicians wo mo wie sika no wo ko opposition na any one year na sika ni nyina sa e se wonim kwan ye fa so pesca it wonim kwan ye fa so preserve sika. Hello. Me ba chobi ni abe na mehia ni.
Only abe ma otu ani.
Otu ye ho aduro.
Ye ho aduro mama.
Ai.
Ya ta na ye breed ye ho aduro.
No kre.
Me ta ka me ba ni to my fork from there. Omo mi nya en so han. My phone bi ye ai. Na ni tia ta djuma nya owo mu. Ade ni o e so be he dia ma ape. Many Tiapian, you are not for two hospitals. I have to take my phone and when we get to 1 year or better, I'm not saying. You know, and behind a queer noble, and therefore, this activity can get and you get afterwards, moment get more, and forget my money. Then you very hard to put maybe I did not. I can't make a statement.
Yeah, that's a pa. Mateo too.
And I'm not of you. Baako ɛna deɛ obɛnya free physical serum ɛde bɛba no ɔbɛtɔ ne kakra wɔn a ne yɛ na adi sɛ ɔbɛdi ne nyinaa tutu afra ɔbɛwia wo wo sika no so da ɔbɛwia wo ɔbɛkɔ no ɔhyɛ wo tɔgum ɛna ɔno nso ɔtɔn eti sɛ bia ɔbɛnya story.
Ya eti sɛ fridge ne yɛ mienu di a na sɛ otu deɛ woka no sɛ fridge ne yɛ mienu di a kɛseɛ paa no ɛna ne nyinaa wom na ketewa no na nipa na yɛtɔn afiri mu.
Ɛtɔ bo eti onyi baako bi a sɛ onyi chicken back no onyi yɛ na ɔtɔn ya chicken back no onim sɛ ɛsɛn.
Wode chicken miɛnsa na gu mu eti atɔn miɛnsa na yɛatɔn ne asa de foforɔ aba.
Eti yɛnsa de foforɔ aba yɛnsa ne sika na ɔmpa
Ya.
Ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ wɔn ma ntoma na bi.
Mate otu yɛda ase paa nyansa a wode ama yɛ otu se baabi a woyɛ adwuma bia nso menhwɛ ma ne nsɛe ɛnhyɛ ma ne nsɛe hyɛ ma adwuma no ɛnyina ne nkɔsa na mo so mo wɔ cold store no ma fridge no nyɛ 2 ɛmfa no nyinaa ngu baakom ɛnti sɛ wobɛwia wɔ ma adwuma no gu etiketoa no na wode bia chicken bɛyɛ 3 agum to ɔtɔn 3 na wɔbɛgye foforɔ ase fa 3 ne sika no ma me ansa na mama foforɔ ɛti yɛ 0260 196064 ɛna 0260196064 yɛyɛ ho aduro ne apa adwuma mu nyansa anɔpa yi mede me di ama wo nso fa wo de bra hello good morning nyame adom me ho yɛ me nua bɛma bɛn mehyia ni just one day amen amen
radio mu no dia muma yenya mu educate here muma information abe mu entertain you want to go on chira
amen amen
na no be what kind of master because here you may be more Matayho, and it's Nana, a two man, now me go na me chia boss no. In get away there, if you know one amico, that the try a man no cry no, so many of us no, Nami and I know, and so the cry. But now my son is there, we share because I mean, I didn't know more years, I didn't know on a difference. If you share the Ghana, you let my no. But me my son is there at the Siana Mission. And I was a mean and sick for Matayko, can you see a bad circle? And tell them about fun waka, if you know me in this car from Kanichi, but my man knew him Buma Bemu. It's my time to be her or not to see a gigano. Nearly or none, I am quite wapa. It is sometimes I'm Michelle crying, say, we are training ground, my now. Yes, and I'm Michelle crying. Say, no, we are the Siama, we ain't count and see. If you know that you say, man, I'm merely on no son and Yankopaya, almost been there in Yamu, been there the day to my own. Come on, can you see? By now, you wait, you know, and like we make, we are fat there. The day Yamadia, the day is free, no, and Kayan share. Yeah, but it's too son among, and I am Nipa, Yaye, and I will cut and Monsono, okay, oh, you may be one cut down, so organize yourself. And also, you be different human. Yes. In such a way, say, you make creative business on your own while you are doing the human oh, you know. Oh, you know. Also, Yana, it's a demon, so no. And what who the baby movie, or what any pan, what you call control movie. Yeah. Because me, if we start to think, I make a 10-year container. If you can command it, will be 10-year container, mommy. Mama be this kind of man, this kind of Johnny here, up to now, yes. Nikano, it is Johnny Johnny here. I know mommy in life, but because Nami, you may not mean 10 years on a me, she be a Yankasa would dear. Yankasa, but this kind of command will be a woman in what the call. Obey a woman, this kind of call. And I don't say who could you be so I make it friends, study the environment, anyway, now. Because they do more study now for the almost say, oh, we the only name and we the only know because now study environment, you know, there, oh no. Only and I say, hey, Papa be in your meniso. But I Papa be a meniso, and listen, I'm buy a BBC when you saw, BBC when you saw. If the dear citizen, the militia, Madame for Bakwan and then in crime, my madame will look at them and say, we have the BI and you may be a essay, I dig down of the if you want now, and Lucano, and you say, oh, Pacaca, Tibiano, Cabe 3 people. I don't say, why not? Take the risk. Not call on the Monaco, you man. Make a young couple, discussion, you could call the animal now. But that will not pursue a Tigano. Wow. Maybe your dama to say, and then I mean, they don't take risk, and by this time, Nanka or Matayko, or your way. Well, I don't need to be taking risk. I don't want to say twice in my home. Your boss, you are taking money and me. In such a way, say, yet now you work about none your home panel. I don't come here and say, well, you can't with you. That I'm not the China Muslim for a holiday. Yeah. Only your boss, I'm here, Madame Polo. I don't go to more Canadian Mamma Muslim for because of you. I did see and I said, Madame Polo, that for the book, you ought to get in so. The sample to my back, not brand, Madame for me. Oh, one on your boat, some cat. They only commit with your tank is called Babichiano. And when a man uncle to money, oh, yes, what found one journey, yeah, what found one journey, because what's the says Sikadia Quacoma, or more a ye, or munya shame, my war. What's the says Sika, Eddie Acoma, or more, or munya shame, because who plays you anymore, Bontain. Now, do my phone or mono on a dear. Do my phone or mono on a dear. Obi who say what we no afa na wo kono watam iska sa wo de komo abusuafo nya ne de se wo we Matias fa che no don't despise the game small beginning now oh you know and no nyankopon ye now who you faithful, no, you need to be quite, and I can say, and I will use this, but you would be, oh, I didn't agree, and no crap will be also koya we different
no correct
you be the one and yakupo be shiraso ata ko yakupo e shirao
on shirao so pa
dey dia so e shira ya dey ye be to na mo wo na ye ya shira
amen
amen
amen Sompa da se mo shira ye da 0260 196064 and 0260 196065 0260 196064 0260 196065 hello mini ababa na meshiani
ma me di Mary me fancy ashoma
yo Mavis ashoma Sompa mintie wanopa ye nya adwuma yefo ye di ye ho nkomo ne ye ho aduru
ane me sum ma dia me sum de ban yedi ka me ma be triba or police officer or the sema me man awoda and then is birthday and then first me man awoda test ya me o man no so mo e o ye ne test o man ya adwini nyansa no so mbua no e wo Yesu bi mu ya to so ye no ni ai ejuma ya ye na ye ye nyane se wo de wo bedum nyame beda nyame se nyame o ma wa de nyansa abi nyame ya o ma wo ai vision kufra o yi de be ye wo di man eno na wo dance to a edi funu ye be ba wa bramo nyame ka no
ye dance amen ampa yemfa nyame suro enante na enkoye 0260 196064 0260 196065
hello
me pacho mi nia be ma ben me shana no pay
Pastor mommy you doing the Lawrence good morning to you
good morning Lawrence anopay adwuma for May Day happy May Day
you me das mama no power the way ko mama kuma to me Mary Kim me ana me dinya me dikra me ka senya me bi ene bi eso na wuti ko mama kuma to me na efutu a waka no e yankomo pan ni da branch am so mpesa me bobra na me insurance company said you can ni pa u sika be manato na me insurance company anye juma
Sompa FM
be 2 years me na me le bomba last week na ubi ebu amiana mtaka insurance company a wo man ma pete mu buaye amu na mukunye mama me mfa ne se bosome insurance company me se am yes wa fa o pe ke de be ya hu bi no o se 1000 Ghana it is na mi na mi su na pa mi se sam ke na insurance company wo na mama abranchi amisi na mzimsika muya mesa meda bobra mama frem ni penefu amukanye yen mama regulation ni da insurance company na omukunya dodo
mate mede Sompa your client service line betudwa uri afre me producer nani mi nin komo na mani details yenya investigations further na SSC edeba radio so kra na ye de aba why
mama
nti mede number ne betudwa tie show no me wi amede betudwa because yenso ye boa mobrofo ni nipa wo mu ni kamafo a nipa bi pese wo mu sisi wo mo ye ka wo masema wo mo eti me amede number ne betudwa na wafre na ya investigate story no na ye hu nokure wo mu na ye hu tse de besi akọ why
mama
okay me so me da CP nyame nhira pa NT memfa de waba 0260196064 and 0260196065
hello
me ba cho mini aba na mehia ni
ampa cho se mesa
yo pokwa se Sompa mami ntie wa no pay
mama so me advice ta me mai ejuma e bona ejuma no mo se kese edija o edimuna le na no so you be ejuma na kiti ya sani edele pata no wa kwa mama e ma di boni bani bani
no correct
because the bibia be tibia e be bano na e woni izia e de ba e so let's say you got the don't be ejuma na be ni pana o se o man want to dia o want to be man No no free mu ni ya di na fa ye juma ne mu a se ne ya ade de di no bia mo beto no na bia ko se betu ti advise ba fa mo de ma ye ejuma ye fo no ene ejuma ewura no
ye da sepa emudo papa emudo ojuma ye ni fatana katua bible na e ka no wo no obi nso ye ejuma mensisi no watua ne ka ne birim na manipa ne de adwen papa ye ejuma ni obi nya ejuma mfa adwen po ni nwura ne tirim obi di adwen papa ba ma adwen papa ne nyina hello e ba to ma radio no kwa from kakra ma me aha e ba to me nia ba ma be na mehia ni
ba to ya from fashion ka se fitem
yo tema ma me ntio
ba to company ni bi biro na o si shi ka se tu na o mo kan ana ama you to get some work aban because what ma I'm not sure if you are here or what it will make you unsuitable. Company and group in child. Company is the own teacher and national family.
Matthias, yeah.
It's my company. Air Force.
Matthias. Mate me dance pa wa kan okre papa companies nbi wo ho a adwumayefo yemfo mo nya hwe 0260 196064 and 0260196065 hello
your call has been put on hold
ai kafra okay hello me pa chomi nia ben me hia ni
mama wo ba Grace o so masaba
ayo Grace mama ntie wa no pe
mama o kanu kwa pa se o ko trafie bi na o ko nipa na obajuwe ni no so no be confess
yes on na ko confess ma brɛ
o ko tsena se o ko pe o fi ko pe fanya ko da bi o se no be te bia ya no kware ki so na se wo ye
no kra pa wo ko tena fie bi mu a de obedi ka be fo adamfo first wo ko adwuma bi mu a de odi ne ho be hyehye wo first ono na de be wo wani first eti shene hu nipa ni suban ansa
ya to so me ni se adwuma sam na wo ka no enye iska kesen kwa na ye adwuma mama bra me hye ma bra bo ase 30 Ghana na me de start se me jetu that sam na ye fie porch we nim enti me fa London school and zip ka kan na me de sen porch ni ma na me de back yosim if you kiosk na me de back container na mde ba mi ankasa no so amesi ende nyamia de mo be hwe 30 Ghana no nyamia afaso aya
edi aya
ama na eye nwanwa ente bo otna so te package sino dia ye mama na o kan no ska kase anso bi keto anso bi
sa
ente ka clear di na nyamia de be hwe won san mo bo ho pa ise wa de ni sika ni eti ni ma ben na me fanye ni bi fanya me ejuma me fanye ene nyamia twa ne se kuma for ma de bebe ba to bi o to de pamonia ma de eni o to de pamonia ma mama 30 Ghana le kasi ya me no yam mama 30 Ghana
enne wan kase watimi abie wo store
enne nyam ya 30 Ghana no so ye nyama bebre dia mama en tibi nya no mba na wo te kakra kan wa hye bibia se no one page me de ye na be ti ya ye na be ti ya to ai so ta ko ya so ta ba de kura thanks to the tom you kakra na asema kwa kana shene kwa we so service ka mama mami service ka o ti gana ni mwa yes ka me de ko kwa so ko fa bibie peace ebro kakra ti gana ni ma anti ni ya member no mesro so we kuni mo skempo we bibi kakra first start bibi kakra ni ya ne be to so table so ma aye be me bi so what na
amen nyame nhyira wo pa de wo de amaye watu ye fo papa na memfa mienu pe na afi memfa emrawie ye 0260196064 and 0260196065 mefa two callers na mawie hello yes
good morning.
Good morning. Mini about Ben or Bah who fe kasa de ben meshia ni mede.
Mpacha, we have Adelina new.
Okay, o free.
Mpacha, me free in town.
Okay, in some Sompa, Mpacha Mamintio.
Yeah. Mpacha, you show pan, okay, and no food out there, my. Now, Mr. Kakwan, meeting, I can say. Sometimes in life, you don't have a principle to guide in. But in a kind of sense, I don't think I can't be free.
And no credit.
Yes. It's my summer working. If you are quite what's the environment, so you say you are making a funny down for. But also now down for no, you have to learn something from your Nipanayo. So you wouldn't suffer affliction the second time.
Yes.
Yes, it's important to meet in a canopy.
Medase, Nyamisha pa. Thanks for passing through. 884 Mefadi o chat wokra 0260196064. Yeah. Hello.
Hello, Papa. Good morning.
Good morning, oh, Daddy. Now free. Yo, Daddy, Jay, Mamma, now line move to Chessy Kakra.
Yo, Papa,
as I said, Moye, I uncle.
Papa, me make the customer care now can watch him. No clear wompa, me say, especially young blacks, me quite butcher, but all have butcher, almost fashion for a dim cocono about a true bani and comodina. Ya honey, a money, a money, Kosoka, a penny, a tatty, ashen, or bar, and I say, and I say, teacher, is that over to the boss, man, what shape will be at that? What theatre, we want to do at the next day, a cough. Let's say, you know, to do an so we ain't a mayor what them, that's what we are. I mean, I need the kind of one actual say, and you also follow what of pepper. And or down the amount customers might be better idea or sorry, and okay, was it? Young conform me, little tone idea or bed. Now, who's young Palapa near Tasuma? Nabaku, and Nadine said, only the Akonadi or other chat with your man of coffee and our biscuit. To me, no or no idea. But you are saying about not doing it. We know a coffee a drew, and our day. That sometimes you cut. Mele pama de na papa bi eba mcho sabuti bi ade nutrition ba ema meye edin emano na uni be careful so to pa but that day no of friend me no so oba ga jira na me papa so be tale show meye obi ade bi ma to not just asana no at in the different message melo ba to yeah na ye wono ne dia mo oni papa no ye sofu do she da ba me che be ka che so na me ka che na ye ne ya pa but be pa ne che na ka so me ye so ya le mo he es o men say o kota ba de tuta de ti wo mi hu ni bi ti ye ti ye wo ye ka se mo so ka se ye mo wa ti ya mo be cash on send the braba the customer service mate yenso ye dase pa we etiefo afrefo no ye de besi ha enne megidi se made adwumayefo da nyansa kakra mede ma wo no enne ne omanfo nso aba beka no ye de bebo ye ntoma no adwumahunu eya wo vein labor eya obi ani ho esese wo experience vein labor ntim pese me bom pa ye ma wo se ba bia wo bia no onyame wo nhyira wo nsa no adwuma vein labor de nyame nhyem ewo wabrabom woma woni wo breso aba onyame ma ni favor nye kese wo so onyame nhyira wo dwuma so woma odi fi no wo feba mu enya nhyira wo be chance yeketua bi nanso ebeye kokroko onyame ma watamfo nya wo da wo de watamfo be hye wo nase onyame be ye wo te se Abraham no wo be ye nhyira mu nhyira na obregu die se dem ti kan ne enya de papa se wo be bre wo be ye adwuma ne be ko wiase no na obi na ebe di anase mfaso amfiri so ama wo di wa ho odin ene wa ho fama be ma adwuma bi na adwuma ne be ye oboni aye anase bedroom bi esese nka adwuma ne ye bibi ma wo no na adwuma na anya bibi ama ene ye made na ye adwuma e 4 day onyame nhyira na me sre nyame nhyira de ma onyame fa ne favor nto so na won fa nto din so na won fa nto adwuma so wo beye kese na wo beye kese pa so ka che Abraham say I will give you a great name no wo onyame ma wo a great name say de onyankopon ka che Abraham say I will bless you so that you be a blessing no onyame ma wo nya nhira na won so watimi anya nhira ma sene Potiphar ka ye say megide se wo Joseph a wo me fie nti na wa ye nhira se de Laban ka say megide se wo Jacob a wo me nche nti na ma ye nhira no sa nso na wo ba bia wo bedru bia adansedie bi mra se wo nti na nhira bi apie e de afiri ho e so onyankopon nhira e wo so ebre onyankopon bo ni pa se ne suba ne seso e wo Genesis chapter 1 verse 26 no wo wie ye 27:28 wo say the Lord bless them onyame e hira wo mo eti wo nso wo ye nhira wo nsa no adwuma be ye nhira de wo de wo nsa be so mu bia be ye nhira ba bia wo de wo nan besi bia onyankopon e de be ma wo na enam se wo ye adwuma den no onyame be to nsupa bi e de aguso fa adwene papa e ye adwuma fa akoma papa e ye adwuma e ma krono bo e ma wo dwumadie mu kura e ma asisie e ma wabrabo mu kura ba bia bedru bia fa no kuradie ye treat nipa yie fa papa e di bone so overcome evil with good said ye waka e wo Romans chapter 12 verse 21 no said e be ya wo be ye nhira na wo fin nhiremu akonhiremu nti obreguo anase vain labor de enye wo portion wo be di wo breso aba you will be fruitful and you will multiply and you will increase and you will be great you will be greater than the greatest higher than the highest so de wo te wo mu no wo so sin de wo wi ase nti weni asema me de ma wo ene onyankopon nhira a efiri wo soro ena me de ma wo ne me de yi e ma adwuma ye fo efi se wo betena ba bia ye adwuma na wanso aba de wo betena ba bia ye adwuma na be wi ase wo ni hyi wo nsam de onyame ma ne mpare wo onyame ma wo nsramu srade na wo ma wo ndore efre ni monyam nkwa ni monyam e wo nyame agya nyame oba ene nyame nkonko ne de mu nti amen etiefo ha ena me de Sompa Rhapsody dwumade no sie me se nyankopon hyira ma wodwuma ye ni obregu de empare onyame ma wonyansa wo wadwumam sika bia beba wo nsam bia onyame ma sika ne nhye na sika ne nyina o ma wontimi fa sika ne bi nsie na bibia wo be invest sika ne bia enye kese pa so onyame na aka so obe ye kese no wa ye kese pa hwehwe ohima masi anwum we ma me na memfama adwumayefo na fadi asa o se eyame nyame na makase obeye kase konsise obeye kase pa me ma bitmice ahwehwa ma me na me de agya wo kwan obeye kase pa won kofo one diminish you obey increase one decrease you increase me shan kongu abrabo so kan hira sem gu abrabo so onyame so wode enkwan wo hu ahya yanum eti anopai I speak life over your life I speak prosperity over your life I speak greatness over your life you will be the head but not the tail you will never fall into the trap of your enemies vain labor is not your portion you will eat the fruit of your labor you will be fruitful and you will multiply and you will have dominion and you will occupy it is abredi anyum na we dey ma wa medija wo kwan woni aba Akosua go Aboagye betimi afrem Akosua nhira wo mo bo me chidom Jeremiah Simpson Tony Bitmice Rich Bitmice fia social media wo share chire na wo boye chidom TikTok mo amo join me wo ho nyina medamu nyina mase mo na mo boy Reverend Professor Joseph Asafodu baby I will be a happy May Day kese ene de ema wo enti onyame nhiraw na wonye okese ohima mesi nyom onyame meye okese na maye okese pa ena medi jamo madamu nyina ase